Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go not available. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go not available on your phone, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list we go to this window of Monopoly Go. Here in this list of app info we click on force stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. After that we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because it may cause you a lot of problems on your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.